Wèrè-é wọjà or wèrè-é jájà. This is a very popular expression in Yorùbá land, and it means literally the lunatic has gone into the marketplace. Now, because of the tone of finality with which we say it, many people tend to take it as meaning that lunacy cannot be cured, or that lunacy was not curable in Yorùbá land. But nothing could be further from the truth. But then let me share with you a few instances where the usage of this expression is appropriate. 1. We use it to mean that a matter is no longer a secret. The word wèrè means a mentally ill person. If you treat mental illness secretly for a while, that secret dies the moment the mentally ill person goes into the market to display the lunacy. Wèrè-é jájà nìyẹn, kì í ṣe nǹkan kankan mọ́. This pregnancy is already 9 months old. It can no longer be covered. Oyún ò ṣe fọwọ́ bò. Secondly, we use that proverb to mean that a problem has already escalated, which makes it similar to the Omoye proverb. If you haven't watched that one, check my previous post. Wèrè lágbájá ti jájà, ọ̀rọ̀ tá ń wí yìí, ó ti kó òun kéké. But this does not mean that our ancestors did not have their ways of treating mental illness. Oh, they did. The leaves that they used, the places they went to, the sagacious method they employed, they are all over the verses of Ifa. In fact, most of the time, after the wèrè has jájà, his or her relatives quickly retrieve him or her for a prolonged private therapy. In those days, seeing mentally ill people roam about in our communities was a rare sight because our communities were not so big. They were not as big as they are today. So, mentally ill people were quickly retrieved by their relatives. We had systemic and scientific ways of dealing with mental illness and even viral diseases. You can check my videos on Shopona for that one. So, that is the very brief explanation of the popular saying, Wèrè-é wọjà, wàá ṣeré.